Welcome to another fishing trip, you guys. This is Bo. We are going to have a lot of fun this weekend. Big family, big groups coming. Everybody got here last night, but we stay in a separate area, and some people are coming up today. We're all gonna enjoy. A lot of people that enjoy do nothing but cooking. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot of food too. So we're gonna do some hiking, we're gonna do fishing, we're gonna do food tour, whatever. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Stick around, everybody. Alright, you guys, guess what? We come fishing. I brought the boat, yay! But I didn't bring the battery for the engine. So what are we doing now? As long as there's no wind, we should be okay. Look at the beautiful weather we have all around here. What a beautiful, perfect weather, and we're catching fish. This is Sacramento perch. We're using, look, just a white plastic jig. All right, keep fishing. Ooh, that was a lot of work pulling the boat out from the water, because we cannot go that close to the water. We had to carry it from the van to the water. That was a workout. Anyways, I was catching fish, and then the wind started to pick up, and then we're like, okay, we're done. We're wrapping up and go back to the other side where we're gonna camp and maybe just fish from shore over there and meet the rest of the group. See you in a bit. All right, everybody, we're back here at the camping area. Everybody's here. Check this out. The whole family is here. Let me show you what we're cooking. We just finished eating something, and now they cook another thing. And man, okay, let's go see what's cooking over there. What is going on over here? Look at, man, this is stir-fried noodle, okay, with is that beef, pork, Chinese, broccoli, and we got the beef stew over there. Yeah, it's udon.
I can't see which way, your way or my way? That way.
Man, you bring the whole box Chinese.
Actually, I need to go back this way. Sorry.
Yeah. Man. All right, let's go eat. I just ate, but that looks good. I'm gonna take another bite. Ooh, a lot of midges flying around. Beautiful sky. Look at this. No clouds, and really calm. So bright, sunny. But fish are not biting. Maybe later. Sometimes they pick up in the 10 o'clock or so. Anyhow, we already made breakfast, and we are getting ready to go hiking. So it's gonna be a few hours of hike, and we'll see you up there in the hike. Beautiful trail, running creeks everywhere, mini waterfalls. Hopefully we find some snow still up there. Elevation more than 10,000 feet. All right, let's go see you up there. Welcome to the Mosquito Head Trailhead, everybody. Elevation is about 10,000 feet. Running creek all along the trail, all the way up. The trail has so many different lakes when you go up there. Snow Peak in the background. This is one of my favorite trailheads, and it's very popular. You can see we got here at 8:30. Parking lot is full. Only one slot available. I get to park here. Everybody had to go back down about quarter mile and park in the overflow area and walk back here. So we wait a little bit. But you can see why it is popular up here. There are picnic areas, bridge, restroom area over here. It's nice to hang out over here. Even though you don't get to hike, you can just hang around here. It's really pay off. Okay, we'll wait. This is how it looks like at the parking lot, guys. Trailhead's that way over there. Pretty much full, huh? All right, let's go, everybody. The happy faces right now. You watch when you come back. It's easy, huh, Printon? Check it out, everybody. This is what I call perfect picture. Anybody want this picture? I'm selling it. Just kidding. Just joking. You can see what I'm talking about. You see this picture in the Mammoth Lakes magazine and see it for yourself. It's not a really difficult trail. I call it a family moderate trail. But since the elevation is, we're at the lake down there, 9,700 feet, we passed 10,000 feet up here because somebody was hiking, climbing that peak up there. It was 13,000, but since the air is so thin right here, you know, short breath, but it's okay. This is good for your health, good fresh air you can breathe, and you know, for your exercise once in a while after all those food you're cooking at the campsite. Yeah, we have reason to do this. And air up here so fresh, you guys. We just take our time, plan at least, you know, 3 to 4 hours to be up here. All right, we reach I think this next lake is where we're gonna stop and look at this running creek everywhere over here. So that way you hear the mini waterfall creeks over here. We have to cross this one, and there's the lake we're gonna stop at. Yep, good job, everybody made it here. I forgot what the name of this lake, but it pays off when you get here. Look at this whole place. Yeah, really enjoy, kids. Now We pack our fruit, our rice to refill our what they call the protein, the carb. Yes, get your energy back. Noel's kind of quiet today. He's up to something. Maybe he's keep going later. Okay, everybody, we are shooting back. I'm glad everybody made it. Thank you. We go back and we go find different destination. You guys, we made it back to the parking lot just right here, less than a quarter mile to go. This is how the whole trail looks like. The running creek all the way along. You see how nice it is. What a nice trail. Everybody did a good job. Made it all the way. So I'll see you back over there, back at the camp. Let's go. All right, good job, every high five to me. Good job, completing the trail. Great job, Pooh. Yes. Good job, great job, great job. Yes. Here's Anita and Petra. Good job. All right, we completed the trail. It's some kind of emotional right here. Riley, give me a high five. You, good job, okay? Quentin, you too. Brittany. Desmond. And who's that, Albany? Good job.
We did it.
Yes. All right, we see a bear right here, you guys. He's looking at us. Bear, go away.
I see it.
Bear, go away. Go, go, go. He's going on a trail. He's going on a trail. Make some noise, you guys. Bear, go away. Telling the bear to go away. Let's see if I can see.
He's looking at us right now.
Oh yeah.
He's looking.
Where is he? I think that's him. There he is. He's brown. There he is. This is Rock Creek. We're dropping by to fill up the water for the vans, and we saw a bear. That was so cool. All the kids get to see the bear. That was really nice. They had a lot of fun. They have stories to tell school now. That's cool. All right, we're over here enjoying the hot spring. And just relax a little bit. All right. Woo! See you guys. Really cool. Oh yeah. After hike, after the hot spring, we enjoy the smoked salmon, avocado sandwich over here. Makes a perfect snack. Yep, look at this. We are back at the camp. And everybody is here. When everybody is here, the cooking competition is on. First, this is only a. Is this only a snack? This is only a snack. Man, this is. Oh yeah. Like I said, the cooking competition is on. Let's go see on that side over there.
Look at that, huh?
My goodness. Look at all these food, man.
Something different.
Shoot. And we got more ribs in here. Oh, it's a barbecue day today. And we got here. Oh, watermelon. Happy, beautiful morning, everybody. Fishing's been so slow. Even the weather is so perfect, you can see. But fishing was not what we expected. Anyway, we still have fun. We still enjoy good times with the family. You know, it's a good break. Most of the people just came out for the first time. It's been a while, so we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of laughs. We did some good hikings, and they're making some breakfast over there. I can hear. Okay, that's it for this trip. I'm gonna go check out what they are cooking over there, and I want to thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video and this trip as much as I do, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Let's see what's for breakfast this morning. Good morning, good morning.
I put 5 of these in the frying pan, they're so small.
Wow, we have everything. Croissant and the, oh man, look at that bacon and scrambled eggs and the sausage patty.
Is the breakfast
All right.
burrito?
Breakfast burrito? Oh yeah. Alright you guys, this breakfast is dedicated for John's special day today.
John's birthday.
John just turned legal age today. Yeah.
All you can eat, John. Buffet breakfast.
Go ahead, John.